Okay, you see, it's my mailbox. You look, the lock is broken. It's gonna make more than a year. And capreit, I give the information to capreit. It's gonna make more than a year, and the problem is not solved. Look. You see that? Somebody broke my mailbox and he stole my mail. And look. I'm gonna show you. Other people have no problem. But on a place here is repair this one, but not mine. And you see, this is the old fire alarm thing, and I tell to capreit to solve it in the past, and it's take more than a year for solve all the problem, and he put that. This is the only thing that he doing that is good, but it's take more than a year. And you see, this is for the hot water. We don't have hot water on the Darlington Avenue in Montreal since 1 week. No hot water since 1 week, and the problem is still not solved. Capreit fucking gang of scammer.